whereas the simple moving average gives equal weight to each component of the moving average. The weighted moving average considers the relative importance of historical data. Namely, more weight gives more to more recent data, and less weight is given to older data. As a general rule, the most recent past is the most important indicator of what to expect in the future. Therefore, it should give higher weighting. So if you click the second spreadsheet, you will see this file, weighted moving average. And I will explain this weighted moving average using John's House of Pancake case. As you see here, the weighted moving average is the more recent data, which is more recent observations, are typically given more weight than the older data or older observations. And for convenience, the weight usually sum to 1. So weight scale, when you sum up, it should be 1. This weight scale is also given to the problem. Let's begin with John's House of Pancake. John's House of Pancake uses weighted moving average to forecast pancake sales. So we are given 3-week, 3 months demand data, May all the way to July. And it assigns the weight of 0.5 to previous month's data, previous month's demand, which is July, and 0.3 demand 2 months ago, which is June, 0.2 demand 3 months ago, which is May. So as you see here, the more recent data will give more weight, the older data will give less weight. And the question is, if sales amounted to 1,000 pancakes in May, 2,200 in June, 3,300 in July, what should be the forecast for August? They are asking to forecast August value using this weight scale. You can start with equal sign, and since the newest observation is given to 0.5, so 0.5 times, click the July, which is most recent data, plus 0.3 times June data, plus 0.2 times May, which is 1,000 demands, click. Then 2360 is your forecasting for August, based on this weight scale. In this case, we show that the most recent data is most important to forecast the future demands, and all the oldest data is the least important to forecast the future demands. This is the weighted moving average. Thank you.